To take an image from Clever One, we begin on the Patient tab. Search for your patient in this search box on the upper left of the screen. To add a new patient to the system, click on the Add Patient button. Once we are in the correct patient chart, click on the Acquisition tab on the left panel to select your image type. Select your image type on the top bar here. The acquisition interface opens.
This video is focusing on our two smaller fields of view, the 8x5 and the endo size 4x4. The field of view is calculated by the diameter by the height. For example, our smallest field of view is 4x4, so that is 4 centimeters in height by 4 centimeters in diameter. The endo mode, or the 4x4 size, is a 50 micron voxel size, ideal for endodontic purposes because the clinician can obtain the highest quality image in a high resolution voxel size. Select the tooth from the tooth chart on the screen. Once our field of view is selected, additional options include high resolution for best quality or the green setting for reduced radiation. As well as voxel sizes below this, options include standard for highest quality or application for a larger voxel size if needed. On the endo mode, the voxel size for standard and application are set to 0.05 voxel size for best quality. Also notice the message information area on the bottom left of the screen, always displaying the status or the next steps to take in the process. Next, click Confirm. The machine rotates to capture position and we can position our patient. Moving to 8x5, this is appropriate for a quadrant. Under the vertical options, you would choose maxilla or mandible, and right, center, or left under the horizontal options. Next, click Confirm. The machine rotates to capture position and we can position our patient.
We're now going to position our patient for a 4x4 field of view on the GreenX platform. Go ahead and bring my patient into the device. Go ahead and stand up straight and tall. I'm going to go ahead and evaluate her chin to the chin rest. That looks like it is in the proper position. Go ahead and have our patient bite into the bite stick groove. Have her smile. I can see she's in the bite stick groove there. I'm going to push down to ensure the chin is firmly on the chin rest. Next, I'm going to make sure the patient is lined up with our mid-sagittal beam. I can always move the patient's head left or right to get that line lined up right between the eyes and right through the philtrum. You do see our top horizontal line. We want this to be right at the gum line or at the CEJ, and in this case of the maxilla, since we're capturing something in the maxilla, or we're capturing tooth number 15 in this case. If you are capturing something in the mandible, you'll want that line to be at the gum line of the mandible. So in this example, we're going to get our red horizontal line right at the CEJ of the maxilla. To do that, we are going to choose our chin rest up or down. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and raise the chin rest up, which raises the patient up. You'll see as we raise the patient, this line is almost right at the gum line. I'm going to raise this chin rest up a little bit more. And we see that the patient has raised up, so I want to lower the machine down by the column down, which is going to flatten out their occlusion. Ensure that the chin is still on the chin rest. Go ahead and smile really big for me. And I can see this horizontal line is right about the patient's CEJ or the gum line. The patient does have a flat occlusion. Now I'm going to go ahead and close my temple supports. We're going to double check our mid-sagittal beam. And now we are ready to take and capture our image. I'm going to click our Ready Return button and we can capture our image.
The system is moving into image capturing position. Please wait. The system is ready to capture an image. Please close.
Hold the button on the acquisition trigger switch, which will turn yellow when exposing. Hold the button until the image acquisition is fully complete.
Image capturing is complete. Please wait a moment. Please open your eyes and follow the operator's instruction.
We've completed our 4x4 capture. I'm going to go ahead and release the temple supports and move our patient out of the machine. Go ahead and take a step back.